Welcome back to the channel. Woodhouse design timeless beauty with modern comfort. A wood house design is more than just a construction style. It's a living space. Choose then blend natural beauty, warmth, and centrability. From choosy countryside cabin and soft modern timeless house would have remained popular access cut and board. Today in design, construction, technology have transforming house into a fact and various stream living room that are both tranquil and contemplament. The natural appearance of wood, one of the stream popular choice wood house design is the natural charm of wood, the textile again, and color create a cozy, warm, and invite atmosphere that blend stream of wood construction. The house is sophistication make its idea for those area luxuries even upper neighborhood sleep and natural touch. Over time, wood ranch add chaptering deep to the house, then make it look old and warm out. Explored design can be sophistication in make warm on personal perfect and location. Rustic design often function warm wall pick room and wide pick that create feel those home are perfect for order climax countryside living. On the other hand, modern wood use line, roof line, glass wood, and mix of the wood and material like stream optional. Areas of harmonium wood enhance and a mix of the wood with material like stream construction and stone. Various and harmonium wood ceramics enhance the feel while main interest and minimalist look. Natural wood tone and touch add stream give to both yard enhance appear